So hello friends, welcome to an education king. So I will explain you today science fifth chapter separation of substances. So let's start. So you know that everyone the survival needs water to survive. So before drinking water there are some harmful things. Sometimes there are some harmful things. So what should do to clean that? So you think that there is a cup of water in this. Cup of water in this. So if there are some small ingredients which are very harmful to our body, so what should we do? So I will show that. So this is a thing to be safe from this. If I will keep on this like this, and then I will throw the clean water in this. So what happened? I will keep one more like this, and what I will do, I will keep a clean water bottle. In this what nothing is there. So then I will throw this water in this. So what will happen? The ingredients, bad ingredients will be remain and we will get the clean water. I will show you nicely. So I will explain you nicely. So see, this is our water. Some ingredients, bad ingredients are in this. So what should I do to separate this? Okay, I will tell what should I do. So this is our water. I will take this, which is very important. And I will throw in this. You can see that. I will keep this and I will throw water in this. And the clean water has been come. And the bad ingredients has been caught and our clean water has been come. So to be safe, please, if you think that there is some particles which are very harmful to our body, please use that and please drink the clean water and don't harmful to your own. So let's start the next point, which is, you know that in a water if you put a salt, so what will happen? If it will dissolve, so can we remove that? So let's start. I will show you also. So this is a salt. So before putting in water, it is like this. After putting, can you see that? No, we can't dissolve this. It has been dissolved. So when we in a salt bottle, if we'll touch that, if we'll feel that there's salt. But when you will when you will put salt in the water, it will dissolve because it is a universal solvent. You know the water is a universal solvent because in the world there are so many substances, most of the substances which can be dissolved in water, and one of the substances are salt. And I will also explain that. You know the Dead Sea. In Dead Sea, you know there is full of water, and that there is very much of salt, very much of salt. So if you know that if you are swimming, so in a swimming pool, if you jump in that, because of gravitational force, you will go inside. If you know swimming, so you can there. But if you know swimming, so you will dig inside. And in the Dead Sea, if you jump, but if you know swimming or no, but you will dig, then you can't go inside. You will just float up. So in the next video, I will explain you that what is a Dead Sea. I will also give the example. So our next is, what is sieving? You know that you know that the cement. So for making buildings, you very required cement. So if you know that some who make builders, they have a long thing, and in that they put cement. But in cement there are some particles which are very bad and it should not used in to make buildings. So what they do, they put all that in this and they will shake it. And after shaking that, what will happen? The nice will come and the bad things will be there only. And I will also show you in real. So let's start. Okay. So I have that, but in we don't use that usually. We use this for making maida. So there are some particles in this which are very bad. So if we'll shake, the nice one will go inside and the bad will be remain here. So I will explain. I will give the particles. So these are the particles which are very bad, which will be not used to us. If we will shake like this, you know that nice will go inside and the bad will be remain. You can see this. I will show it. The bad particles are not there, only nice particles has been come. So this is the process of sieving, which is very useful and who use in builders. They sieve for 1 to 2 hours and the nice cement which is comes, it is very strong. But in the particles are there, if you will not do sieving, so sometimes the buildings has been weak because of cement, because there are some particles which crash and remove the cement. And the next thing is, what is it? Okay, you know that Dead Sea. So to how we get salt every day, we use it at home. So from where we get it? We get it from seawater within a Dead Sea. In the world, there is 71% of water. In that 70% is full of salt water. We have only 1% of water of clean. So what should I do? We should not waste water, and also I will tell that what is sieving I have told you, and what is a winnowing. And what is a winnowing? I will tell what is a winnowing. You know that a seed particle. I will explain you. This is a seed to eat it, but there is some maida which removes the taste of that. So winnowing. What does winnowing do? In winnowing, what happens? They take a stick like it is this much big, and in the middle there is hole. And the Adivasis, they do. So the maida from this will not be there. It will be fully cleaned, and the clear papu will get it. And our next point is that okay. Why should we clean our water? So we should clean our water for how do we clean our water? I told you. For what should we clean our water? To be safe from harmful and non-useful things. You know that for making food, sometimes we need some particles in which there are some bad particles. If that is added to our food, the taste will be bad. So that's why we should keep harmful and non-harmful things safer from the safeful things, which will be very important to us. Okay, our next point is our next point is what is a true or false? Okay, if we put, so I told the method of sieving like this. So if in the maida I will throw some particles, big particles of sugar. Can we remove it? Yes, we can remove by this. This only if we'll put sugar lot of, and when it will do like this, the hole will go there and the sugar will be remained. So yes, it can be removed from maida and sugar by the help of the process of sieving. So this is very helpful to us. So our next point is, so I will also show the next diagram nicely. So let's start. True or false? You know that a liquid nitrogen is very cold. So you know that this is water. You know this is water and water. You know that water and milk are same liquid, but in their taste is different. Water is a universal solvent. Okay, water. What happens? Water is same liquid and milk also same liquid, but the taste of both is different. And milk we get strong immunities. And also, if we mix they both in, so can we separate them? No, we can't separate because both are water. If we put in water so much of salt, so we can be removed by the help of filtration. We can do that with the help of filtration. But both are milk and water. No, we can't separate that. So, our next question is that a mixture powder. A mixture powder. In a powder, you will put salt. So, can you remove with the hand? No, it falls. We can't remove it. You know filtration, I have told you. So if there's amount of very much amount of water, some less amount of water and more amount of salt, we can do it with the help of evaporation. We get salt from the sea water with the help of evaporation, with the process of evaporation. So a question is that separation of sugar and tea can be done with filtration? No. While the sugar and tea, if we mix them, we can remove it. But we can't do that with the help of the process of filtration. It is done with the process of winnowing. So you know the decantation and filtration which I have shown you. So in that, if we will do grain and husk, if we put that, so it can be done? No, it's false. We can't do that. And next last question is that what is a winnowing? Winnowing, I told you that they have a stick like this, big one, and from that they remove the air like this, and from that particles, the dirt will be removed. So this was our video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe our channel Education, and also click on the bell icon and click on the bell icon for all the notifications in your mobile, and also share with your friends, cousins and everyone. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.